Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making orange oil. We're going to be making this from orange peel. To peel the orange zest. I use the smaller side of the grater to peel this, and when you are doing this, endeavor to not peel the whitish part, because that part is bitter and it can spoil your oil or your pastry. So that's how we do it. Then you dry the zest or peel. You can use sun, dehydrator or oven, but I use air fryer, but unfortunately I lost it. So after drying, you blend with your blender, and that is your powder. You can use this in your pastries, your pop buns, mince pie, anything your flavor, even in zobo. And now we're going to be making the oil. So I'll be using a tablespoon of the powder orange zest. That's a tablespoon, and I'm going to be using a quarter cup of sunflower oil. You can use any other carrier oil. I'll be using sunflower oil here. It's quite pure and very good, so I'm going to be using this. So we mix this with spoon thoroughly, cover it, and put beside, maybe at your window side where the sun can reach it sometimes. Not direct sun, but where it's not so close. Cover it up and check this almost twice a day. Shake it every day. You can do this for minimum of 2 weeks or months. I infused mine for 2 months. I did this in May, so I'm just getting it out today. July, this is July. I did it in May. So that is your orange oil. You can use this for your skin. It's quite good for your skin. So I'm going to be sieving it out. It's settled down. The oil is up. I shake it every day, but the oil is up now, so I just pour it directly. You can use tissue to collect it as well. And that is my orange oil here. It's quite, look at the orange color, it's bright as well. Yeah, you can use this for your skin, for your face. It's safe to use for your face. Now let me show you how it's, look at it. See, it's nice. Then rub on my palm now. And you see how good. So your glowing journey is about to begin. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you soon.